To do this, it's going to be best if you have your rear wheels off the ground. Other than that, as long as you're doing one shock at a time, you don't necessarily need to have a jack underneath this area here to be able to hold it up. Let's start by removing this lower bolt. We're going to use an 18mm wrench up on the bolt head here and an 18 on the nut. Okay, so I tried hammering on this to try to remove the bolt from the inside bushing of the shock itself. The bushing's stuck on the bolt though, it won't come out for me, and this is something that's fairly common. So what I'm going to have to do while I'm replacing the shock right here, I'm just going to go ahead and cut the head off the bolt. We'll remove the entire thing. We'll have to replace the shock obviously, because it's what we're doing, but we're also going to replace the bolt with a nut as well. Now that we have the lower aspect out, let's move along to the top bolt up here. For this one, I'm going to use a 16mm. Get it right on there. Turn it counterclockwise to remove it. All right, I'm going to go ahead and hold on to that shock so it can't fall on me. We'll remove the bolt. Remove the shock. Now we can get ready to install our brand new shock. Look at this area along the bottom here, the lower bushing. You're going to notice one side of it comes out a little further than the other side, shaped a little different as well. Now what we want to do is make sure that we have this part, the part that's shaped a little bit different, pushing up against this area here. It's kind of like a little spacer. Let's start with the top. We'll get it into position, start our bolt in there. Now we can start putting in our lower bolt. If it doesn't seem like it's lined up, you can either try to use a jack underneath this or just try to lift it by hand. Just get it lined up, slide the bolt on through. Okay, slide that bolt on through. Use your washer and your nut. We'll get it on there, we'll bottom it out. Now we can bottom out both of our mounting bolts, then we'll torque them to the manufacturer's specifications. Let's torque this top bolt to 50 foot-pounds. Now let's torque the lower one to 92 foot-pounds.